Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a refund policy on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to the bottom left, click on settings. Wait for it to load, and once it loads in the left panel, we have here at the very bottom, policies. So just click on it. Wait a bit. And once done, you'll be able to see return and refund policy. But before that, you would need to set some rules, okay? So as you can see here, we have default rules. Just click on it. So you can go ahead and add in return rules, enable it, maybe 30 days return window, starting from item delivered, return shipping cost, customer provides return shipping, or free return shipping, flat rate return shipping. Just set it up however you want, okay? Now, once that's done, just go ahead and go back. Don't forget to hit and save, by the way. Cancellation rules, enable it and set it up however you want. Okay? So once that's done, actually, you can now go ahead over to return and refund policy. Just click on it. Now, if your company got the return and refund policy template, you can just copy it and then paste it right here. Let's say I have this one already. You can just right click and paste if you have that option. If not, just Control V. All right. So just change it however you want. And then once that's done, you can now then go ahead and click on publish right here. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, it says here store policy set. Okay. You can click on it to check it again if it says no policy set. Okay. Sometimes it's just a bug. And as you can see, it's ready. But you can go ahead and refresh the page. But that's basically it. That is how you add a refund policy on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.